Hi there! Are you looking to learn video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro CC? If you are absolute beginner or if you never opened Adobe Premiere Pro CC before, then this is the perfect class for you. This is the beginner level class, so together me and you, we will learn Adobe Premiere Pro from basic to advanced. This is the project-based class, so you will be able to apply your learned skill in real-time class project. You will learn from this class about every basic lessons of video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, and along with that you will also learn how to add text in video, leveling audio, color adjustment, cinematic effect, blur video, end credit, input LUT, green screen removal, text or image animation, video inside text, multiple video framing, and many more lessons you will learn from this class. I have given an exercise file along with this class so you can practice along with me during learning. During learning, if you face any problem, then you don't need to worry about it because I am always there for you to help you out. You just have to ask me the question and I am always ready to answer your questions. So let's start learning video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro together.